reflection in CWT was a journey that made my memorable and satisfying kasi masarap sa pakiramdam na makatulong ka sa isang tao na nangangailangan ng tulong sa atin.
Reflection for NSTP. At first, I thought the class was boring and not interesting. But when the class was started, my first expression was wrong. It teaches us to be a better person. Like for example, nung nag-immersion kami, ang sarap makita nung tinulungan namin na masaya siya, na tinutulungan namin siya. At masaya rin kami na nakatulong kami sa kanila.
The importance of empathy, teamwork, and perseverance. It has been a fulfilling journey that has enriched my life and inspired me to continue making a difference in the environment.
Community immersion is a valuable experience that allows individuals to connect with the understanding the needs of a community on a deeper level. Through this immersive process, one gains first-hand insight into the challenge, strengths, and dynamic of the community.
Reflection on NSTP CWT is, on this day isn't about the hours I spent serving, but about the lessons learned. It's about the realization that giving back isn't core, but a privileged satisfaction of knowing that my small contribution, along with the collective efforts of the others, made a difference in someone's life.
CWT is community service. I have learned a lot. Building good teamwork and fostering better understanding are the most important aspects, especially when communicating and socializing with our community. Teamwork plays a crucial role in this activity, and by helping others, it gives me a sense of satisfaction.
The learn of the CWT is with community service as a teamwork with environment and individuals, such as wood cleaning and also good ideas such as plans of the giving reason and responsibilities, and being respect our people helping of the good ideas.
My reflection about CWTS NSTP is very challenging. It helps me improve my skills in all aspects, and I've learned a very valuable lesson, and that is the importance of teamwork and unity to each other in order to contribute to others. Ngayong buntag tuod nay.
Buntag.
Unsa may masulti nimo tuod sa amo ang kanay programa nga NSTP?
Maayo man ang inyong gibuhat. Ilang maayo sa silingon, pagkuhan, pagtabang, pagkutaw. Salamat ko sa Ginoo. Bigyan mo sa pintasaan.
Unsa may masulti nimo sa amo natabang sa pila ka buwan diri na sa imuha na?
Ang ikasulti ninyo, salamat ko dako, nasunin karon nga ang paut, ang dili tumanatan, nakatabang mo sa amo, malingon, sa mong kalisod.
Aho to itatambag mo kay last day kan man namo karon. Paanta na nay ba kaning padayon nagabos pag paningkamot, biga di bisog kalimtan niya musalig sa Ginoo sa tanang buhaton nato niya dili mo bala ka kay kuan man pod di man sa tanang panahon mo pabor sa toa mao magpadayon nagdepirme sa kining pagpaningkamot para makakuan gyapon bahalag lisod basta maningkamot lamang
kasi yung paningkamot isod ka dito maningkamot dito sa imong kaugalingon. Isod po pasagad ka.
Para makalingkawas ka sa imo. Di problema karon kung financial ba o rin sa ba.